I love slimes. Oh, what's that?
Sue, the ice cream guy is here. What flavor would you like?
Oh, I want a popsicle. Or chocolate. Or no. I'll have a popsicle.
Sue, hurry up, he's about to leave.
Chocolate. No need to be so jumpy.
I hope you're happy. We won't get any ice cream now.
Come on, it's no big loss.
So typical of you. Huh.
Sam, I've had enough of your whining. Come, let's craft some ice cream for you, or else you'll scoop all my brain out.
Why didn't you say it up front? Hey guys, our craft today is an ice cream machine.
Hi everyone. That's right, and we'll start with cutting out the sides of our machine. Carefully. No need to rush.
Wow, it's taking you so long. Let me help you cut it, or else we'll be at it all night.
You are welcome to help, Speedy. Over there you'll find pieces of cardboard with other parts all marked up. Just be careful with the cutter.
Sure. I'm sure I'll cut it all out while you are stuck on a single part.
Just listen to him brag. I have to say though, he is fast when he's cutting. Guys, what are you best at? Comment and tell me. Now I need to cut out the base with these measurements. We already made so many crafts from cardboard, but it'll be the first time we combine cardboard and ice cream. We'll be gluing everything else to this part.
Make way, Sue.
Ooh!
Here I am. I think I'm done with cutting. I even made a door in the back part.
Well done. We're missing only the top part here, but we'll get to it.
Well, okay then, let's glue it. Hooray!
You bet. It's time to assemble the whole thing. First, some glue. And then the cardboard part. Nice and careful.
Oh, Sue, it's taking too long. Let me help you.
But how? We only have one glue gun.
You'll see. Place the side walls on the table next to the bottom.
Ready.
Alakazam, alakazoo!
Oh, magic! I love that.
No breaks, time to move on. I'm craving ice cream.
Okay, do more of your magic, young wizard.
Young or not, I'm a real master though.
Modesty is definitely not one of your traits.
What do you mean? Didn't you know that I'm the champion of modesty?
No, I didn't. So what's taking you so long?
Oh, I think I'm done with magic for today.
It's just nerves. Let's get back to the usual way. We'll apply some glue here. This looks nice.
Go, Sue! You can do it! You are a real magician!
Voila! Done. Sometimes you can use your skills instead of magic. Let's assemble the inside, starting with these cuties.
I'll use them to scoop ice cream! Oh yeah!
Now we are going to make holes in the front part for the buttons. We can use a pencil to do it. Very easy.
Oh, we haven't even attached the buttons yet.
Sam, it will only take a moment.
You've been working with them for quite a while.
Sam, why are you so grumpy? We're in no hurry here.
In no hurry? I am in a hurry to eat delicious ice cream. We already missed the ice cream man because of you.
We'll need 2 pumps like that. I put them in styrofoam so they don't make much noise. One is for chocolate ice cream, the other one is for...
vanilla!
Exactly. Also, we need a battery for each pump. And...
wires like these.
right, you're on a roll, Sam.
I just want ice cream.
It's better to use wires of 2 different colors not to confuse them.
Say black and red.
Or blue and yellow. Any colors will do. Which colors do you like, guys? We need 2 chains like this. We'll put these mechanisms here.
Sue, connect the wires. I'll be right back.
Okay. I can't wait. Guys, ask an adult to help you with the wires. And everything is in place. Now we need to make airtight containers for ice cream.
Like these ones?
I think those will do. Now we need to get the tubes for the pump.
These should work perfectly.
Awesome! Time to make holes in the container lids. The hole's diameter should be smaller than the tubes.
To make everything airtight?
Uh-huh. Otherwise the machine won't work properly. Be very careful with the drill. Or ask an adult to do it for you guys.
Susie, is it time to bring ice cream?
No, Sammy. It melts real quick, you know.
Oh, right. It's already waiting in the fridge, though.
So what kind of ice cream is it?
It's the best soft-serve ice cream in the world. I bet my waffles.
Oh, great, Sammy. I can't wait to try it. Sam, think of a way to attach ice cream cones.
I'll check what I have in store.
You could find an elephant in what you have in store. You've got all kinds of stuff.
No, this box won't work either. Maybe this basket here? No, definitely not.
Don't forget to clean up everything you've scattered around.
Okay, look, I found it. Simple and tasteful.
Right. Let's attach it then. There we go. It is simple, and it fits perfectly. All we have to do now is glue the roof made of flexible cardboard.
If we glue it now, though, how will we put ice cream in there?
Sam, have you forgotten? You made a small door there. We can easily swap the containers through it.
Oh, it slipped my mind. I did good.
Sam, don't you think that our ice cream machine looks kind of sad?
Right, we didn't decorate it. I found just the right things among my stuff. I'll go get them.
Wow, I had no idea you had these.
Yeah. I don't even know why I kept them, but they came in handy.
So we'll have vanilla here and chocolate here.
To make sure that we don't confuse the ice cream?
Well, just in case.
Then let's also stick this label?
No problem. There. Now go bring ice cream cones.
On my way. Here I am. Oh, I can't wait to eat a couple of ice cream cones.
Yes, Mr. Speedy. It will all be ready in a few moments.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the one and only ice cream machine, Go-Zoo!
The chocolate one tastes really good. Where did you learn to make such delicious ice cream?
It's one of my granny's recipes.
It's no surprise that you don't want to tell me this recipe. It's like a family secret.
Well, maybe I'll tell you. But for now, let's just enjoy our ice cream.
Sam, would you like another helping?
I don't think so. No, or else I'll just burst and splatter ice cream all around me.
I don't think it will come to that. Time to say goodbye to our viewers, Sam. Bye, guys. I hope you liked our craft. Give thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Also, don't forget to hit the bell button not to miss our new videos. Bye now!